Weather coverage you can count on with meteorologist Olga and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Right now I'm tracking some mild temperatures and yes, some cloud cover beginning to fill in. You can see it here from our Way 31 camera network. And yes, we have our temperatures pretty comfortable right now. Everyone's sitting in the 60s, a little warmer out toward Huntsville at 67, but for the most part, a comfortable evening. Cold air is behind the front that is on the way. You can see just how chilly it is west of us. For now, though, I think we're going to be fairly calm and quiet. The next few hours, we'll watch these numbers dip a little bit, but not too low. We'll slide out of the 60s and into the upper 50s. For today, we made it to 80 degrees, the official high for Huntsville's reporting station. We started out the morning about average in the middle and upper 40s, but we desperately need some rain. No rain falling today. Tomorrow, we will be adding a little bit of something to these numbers. More on that in a few minutes. Now, this front is a very strong one. It's already been kicking up a few thunderstorm watches and warnings around the Houston area. As it continues to track in our direction, we're watching it because we have the potential for some severe weather in our region as well. Right now, expecting some gusty winds and heavy downpours. It's quiet on the early warning radar network, but it will be very active this time tomorrow. We are looking at a mild night overnight. Temperatures are in the lower 60s and we'll hang out in that region more or less until tomorrow morning. We should bottom out right around 57 degrees, and that should happen near the 5 a.m. hour. So it will be quiet tonight. We'll see the winds pick up tomorrow for sure, and our winds sustained at 20 miles per hour plus gusts as high as 60. Tomorrow, a wind advisory will begin at 9 a.m. On Tuesday afternoon, that's when I think we're going to open the window for some of these heavy downpours and strong storms to move through. As it continues to move on out, we will quiet things down toward the middle and the end of the week, but I am tracking some rain chances in your weekend forecast. So here's the bullseye for our severe weather probabilities. We are at a slight risk for much of the region that is in the orange shaded area, but we are at that marginal risk for other regions as well. So we do need to be weather aware throughout the day tomorrow. Our main concerns are heavy rain, gusty winds, as I mentioned, 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts not out of the question, and the brief tornado spin-up is not out of the question as well. Our potential there is low, but it is still there. So the wind advisory will begin tomorrow, 9 a.m. Good idea to have those trash bins in and some of that lawn furniture secured. This isn't going to bring a lot of rain. It's a very quick moving front, but some of us could see up to ½ an inch in many locations, and some will only see about 1/10. The forecast model does bring in maybe a few sprinkles on our western zones early for the commute, but I think tomorrow morning's commute will be dry. Be prepared, though. Midday, when these heavy storms start to move in 3 o'clock to 8 p.m., it will interfere with your commute home tomorrow with those heavy downpours, but by 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock tomorrow night, it will have cleared. We'll see a very sunny day on Wednesday, but much cooler air is going to move in behind that front. So let's get you to your 7-day forecast. The next 3 days are going to be kind of up and down. We'll see the storms and mild temperatures on Tuesday, sunshine on Wednesday, though much cooler. But by the time we get to Thursday and Friday, the forecast is dry and average. Watch for the next rain opportunities on Saturday and Sunday with the next system. Stay with us. We'll be right back.